Hello guys, it's your girl Julie. Welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys we are cleaning our yards. We are doing lane carrying. I just wanna be Heavenly, it's cold for you. It's cold, Heavenly. Guys, whew. Guys, this thing is not easy. How did I open this thing? Sometimes, guys, what happened now? Who closed this thing like this? I'm gonna go the other way. Oh. This thing doesn't want to open. Is that her? What happened now? Fortune, that thing is not opening, you know. That thing doesn't want to open. That thing doesn't want to open. Huh? Yeah, it doesn't open. I have to go around. Why? Something is after this. My God. Let me go around. Palam. Pam. Hey, guys. Take it. Ooh. Tired.com. This grass is not easy. Oh. This grass to carry it is not easy to only to push that machine. Guys, Jesus, I have a lot of work. Look at the grass. Look at what we cut for today. Today. That's it for today. That's it for today. Another day. Gonna work on this. Gonna work on this gravel. Gonna work on this stuff. So that's it for today, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you all. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Kid. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I think that's it for today. We've come to the end of our grass cutting. We've come to the end of the day walking on our lane. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Ooh. Ooh, let's go us. Let's go us. It's so cool. It's so cool. It's so cool, guys. So cool. Thank you.